Hey everyone, so as you can see I am not in my office. I'm over in the Canaries for a week, some winter sun. I've been going for a walk and I've just been playing around with the Osmo Action 6, testing it and recording some shots, etc, just to get used to what the camera could do. But what I thought I'd talk about today is this whole memory and SSD crisis. This is a story that I've been following since the start. I read a lot of tech news websites, etc. And I've been following from the start, and it's obviously just got worse and worse and worse. I've had the worst timing with this because I built my main PC 4 or 5 years ago when the crypto craze was going on. I paid crazy prices for SSDs, crazy prices for a lot of equipment. And then I sold all the components, pretty much all of them, a few months ago. And then as soon as I sold them, this memory craze due to AI all started up. So it's something I have been following. Oh, get that over there. It's something I've been following. And it's something that's, I've seen affecting a lot of areas already. In my real job, I asked for more memory for my laptop because it felt like it was hitting bottlenecks. And Dell have told companies that they can't get memory. You just can't order RAM just now because of what's going on. And there's a lot of other companies doing the same. They're stockpiling RAM so that next year they can still sell laptops at okay prices. And the same thing is happening with SSDs. I was looking at a lot of SSDs a month or so ago, and yeah, like SSDs which were 200 are now 300. The ones at 300 are going for like 400 or so. And yeah, this is just what's going on now. My advice to everyone: just wait. Just wait. That's all I can say about it. Just wait. There's a lot of articles saying that wait 6 months, wait 9 months. I think the reality is no one knows how bad it's going to get. Yeah, I think everything just now is just speculation. No one really knows what's going on, what's going to be, but it is serious, it is bad. Micron and a few other companies are leaving the industry, leaving the consumer industry completely. And it's different from before, like what happened with graphics cards, because those, all the memory that's going to be used is not going to be usable in the consumer market. I do think the best thing to do is just wait. Wait and buy used and make do. And this is something I'm going to do as well. Just make do with what's available. And that means either buying used or maybe going for example, SSDs that I would normally buy, maybe ones that the caching isn't as good. But I wouldn't advise going crazy and paying those insane prices, because in a year this will hopefully all be okay. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, guys. Let me know what you think about it. And hopefully the audio isn't too bad here with the waves, etc, and the wind. But until next time, I'll just spin around here so you can see it. Till next time, have a good one. Leave a comment, subscribe, like all of that stuff. And for me, it's time to go and stuff myself at an all-you-can-eat buffet breakfast.